Okay, let's go to the next part of the spaceship. This time we're going to make the front engines, okay? So switch from vertices to polygon. And what you want to do, you've noticed how I've rotated my view here? You want to move and rotate your view and the perspective so you see the front part of your airplane, okay? I'm going to zoom in a little bit because we're going to select this engine and this engine, and you want to be able to click on both of them. So take a second and change your view so you can see the plane or the spaceship just about like mine is, okay? All right, then go to Select Tool, and we're going to select this polygon and hold down your Control key and select this polygon, okay? Let's go ahead and lock this because we're going to do a couple things to it, okay? Okay, now come over here, and we're going to click the bevel button, and we're going to type in, remember bevel is an extrude and then a bevel, so we have to click in both here or pull up, but let's click in since we have a value. We're going to put in 10 for the extrude. There you go, and hit enter. Notice how your engines have come out, and then we're going to do negative 1.5 for the bevel. So the engines kind of bevel down a little bit. Now we're going to perform another one exactly where we are. We're going to come up here and we're going to type in negative 10 for the extrude. This is the second one now. It's not this first one. See how we are bringing it back in? Doesn't it start looking like engines now? And then the second bevel is going to be negative 1 and hit enter. Okay? Then I want you to unlock your selection. Click off of bevel. And click here in the middle to deselect your selection, okay? Then come up to the top and hit Vertex Sub-Option. And then come over to the left view. Now you'll notice how I've zoomed in on the left view. You'll want to get your zoom tool and zoom way in so you can see the little engines you've just created, okay? So do that. Then you want to come up here. We're going to move them back a little bit to kind of give a little angle to our spaceship. So I'm going to come up and choose the Select and Move button. And be careful. Watch how I'm only selecting these 3 pairs. Make sure the Ignore Back Facing is not checked. All right, I'm going to select these 3 pairs, and then I'm going to move them back just a tiny bit. Okay? And that's the end of this part.